Have you ever wondered what happens when Samsung decides to beat Apple at its own game before Apple even steps on the field? Welcome back to Educational Hub. Today we have massive tech leaks and hands-on details about a phone that is changing everything. Samsung just revealed the Galaxy Z Fold 8 lineup. They also dropped two new watches. There's so much to unpack here. This is especially huge when we look at Apple and their secret foldable plans. We now have three foldables from Samsung. We have a Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. We have the regular Galaxy Z Fold 8. We also have a Galaxy Z Flip 8. Plus, we are getting the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and the Galaxy Watch 9. Let us dive right into the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. This one feels the most familiar. If you know the traditional Fold, you know this one. But Samsung pushed it up a notch. It has a tall 8-inch main display inside. The outside has a 6.5-inch cover screen. Samsung went all out on the power. You get a massive 200-megapixel main camera. It has a real 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical and 30x space zoom. The brain of this beast is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. This is a special chip made by Qualcomm just for Samsung. You can pack this phone with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. You can even get a terabyte of storage. The battery is big too, sitting at 5,000 milliamp hours. If you love the classic fold shape, this is for you. It is the ultimate traditional foldable. The funny part is the name. It takes the Ultra name mostly for its crazy specs. It is still the classic foldable shape we know, but then we have the regular Z Fold 8. This is where the magic happens. This is the one shaking up the tech world. It completely changes the formula. It looks exactly like what we expect from the rumored iPhone Ultra. Samsung moved to a passport-style design. Instead of a tall, narrow block, it is shorter and wider when closed. The cover screen is 5.5 inches. It is fatter and squarer. This is the cover screen we have all been waiting for. For years, we saw cool foldables in China, but could not get them. Google tried something similar, but now Samsung has done it perfectly. This wider panel feels great. You will be happy using it closed all day long. When you open it, things get even better. The inner screen is 7.6 inches. The shape is the most important part. It is not that weird square shape anymore. It feels like a proper little tablet. It feels very close to an iPad mini. If you read a lot, watch videos, or use split screen, this is the sweet spot. It acts like a normal phone when closed. It acts like a mini tablet when open. This is the exact shape everyone expects from the upcoming iPhone Ultra. All the leaks point to Apple making a passport-style phone. Apple wants a wider outer screen and an iPad-like inner screen. Samsung beat them to it. It is crazy. Samsung essentially released the iPhone Ultra before Apple could. If you want to know what the iPhone Ultra will look like, just look at the Z Fold 8. This is a huge deal. The form factor is perfect. Samsung knocked it out of the park. But there is a catch. The regular Z Fold 8 does not get the Ultra specs. That is an interesting choice. You do not get a dedicated telephoto lens here. You only get a wide and ultra-wide camera. Both are 50 megapixels. You get digital zoom instead of optical. I wish Samsung put all three cameras in this one. It would have proved it is possible. Apple is only expected to have two cameras anyway. So, it is a bit of a missed opportunity for Samsung to totally flex on Apple. Finally, we have the Galaxy Z Flip 8. This one is simple and familiar. It is the classic flip phone style. It has a 6.9-inch main screen. The cover screen is 4.1 inches. It has a 50-megapixel main camera. The battery is 4,300 milliamp hours. This is the pocket-friendly option. It is trendy and stylish. It comes in great colors like pink, graphite, cream, and mint. The regular Fold 8 comes in lavender and pistachio. The Ultra comes in moody colors like violet shadow and green shadow. Samsung killed it with the colors this year. Now let us talk about the watches. This is where Apple feels a bit behind. We have the Watch Ultra 2 and the Galaxy Watch 9. Round smartwatches just look better. Samsung gives you the best classic, circular watch design. The Ultra Watch 2 comes in titanium at 47 millimeters. The Watch 9 comes in 44 and 40 millimeters. They look like normal watches, but do so much more. Samsung is way Ahead in health features. The active BIOS sensor includes bioelectrical impedance analysis. This means the watch reads your body composition right from your wrist. It checks your body fat, muscle, and water levels. The Apple Watch still cannot do this. That is a groundbreaking feature. Samsung also had sleep apnea detection and blood glucose monitoring before Apple. It is a bummer Apple is lagging here. The Ultra 2 watch screen reaches 5,000 nits of brightness. That is insanely bright. It is highly durable with a 10 ATM rating. It gives you around 60 hours of battery life. So that is the massive new lineup. The Ultra is the classic Fold with monster specs. The Flip is fun and easy. But the Z Fold 8 is the real star. It excites me the most. It competes directly with the upcoming iPhone Ultra. The passport-style shape is a game changer. I really enjoy it and think it is the absolute best of the bunch. This new wider screen layout is the future of foldables. Samsung completely crushed the design, and I am completely sold on this device. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.